Okay, so this is week 2, Thursday, semester 2, quarter 4. We're going to go ahead and go over area and perimeters of certain figures. So area in this situation is going to be length times width, right? So then looking at this part right here, 24 is a length, or actually it wouldn't be width, it would be height, times the height, which is 14, okay? And I know you're like, well, why is it like that? Because if you take a look at this part right here, you see this triangle right here? If you take that triangle and you remove it and you put it right over here, right? Like cut it off and shifted it. Do you see how this right here really is the right angle? Yeah. So what we're going to do in this case is your area is going to be 24 times 14, which is going to give you something. Can you grab a calculator and just do that? Here. What is it?
36.
Okay, and with area, millimeter, you're gonna do unit squared. Make sure you have that, okay? Okay, next part, perimeter. Perimeter means that it's like building a fence. Like you see the part that I'm highlighting right now in green. You're basically figuring out how many green pieces do you have, okay? Perimeter is gonna be the 24, which is this part right here, right? And there's 2 of them. Plus this piece right here, the slanted part, 18, and there's 2 of them, right? So what does that give you? 48 plus 36 is? Are you sure? No, you have a calculator. Don't tell me that you're not sure. Okay, there's no square, just millimeter, okay? Let's take a look at number 2. This is a triangle, right? So to find the area of a triangle, base times height times 1/2, okay? What is your base of the triangle?
4 centimeters.
That's your base. What's your height? What's your height? No. Height is this part, 2.7. Do you see what I'm highlighting here? So then you're going to have 4 times 2.7 times 0.5, which is half. So put that in your calculator.
So 4 times what?
The height. Look up.
Oh.
That's your answer?
Yeah.
That's not your answer. 4 times 2.7 times half. What's your unit?
Centimeters.
And then squared. Don't forget the square. Okay. Next, if you're doing a perimeter, perimeter is this side plus this side. Do you see the difference here? Plus this side. So that's 5.9 plus 4 plus 4.5. What is your perimeter? Okay. What's your centimeter, right?
Yeah.
There's no square for perimeter. Do you see that? Okay, number 3. So tell me, how would you find the perimeter for this one?
Multiplying all the outside numbers together.
Not multiply, add. Okay, so that's this side right here plus this side right here plus this side plus this side. Do you see that? Okay, so the perimeter is going to be 9.9 plus 6 plus 9.4 plus, is that an 8? What is that? What is this right there? 8. Okay, so grab your calculator. What is it?
33.3.
33.3? Okay, and what is your unit?
9 plus 9.9 plus 6 plus 9.4.
So what is your unit?
Centimeters squared.
Nope. We're doing perimeter. So perimeter does not have square. Just inches, right? Okay, next one. Let's go on to area. What shape is this? It is a trapezoid. Did your teacher ever go over the area of a trapezoid with you? Okay.
It was on the animal playground today.
1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. That's the formula, okay? So let's go ahead and go over labeling everything. Where is your height? No, that's your base. You got to think about the fact that this right here is your trapezoid. This trapezoid just got rotated on its side. Like that. Do you see that? So which one's your height?
6.
No. Let me help you out here. If this is your trapezoid, which is facing up, right? This is your height, base 1, base 2. Do you see that? Now, if you flip it on the side, which one's your height? Pick a number. It's a number that's gonna be like where the right angle is, because the right angle is gonna be right there. Where do you have the right angle?
7.5.
Yeah, that's your height. Okay, where's your base 1, base 2?
8 and 6.
Yeah, base 1, base 2. Now let's plug this in. 1/2 6 plus 8 times 7.5. Remember order of operation. What do you do first?
1/2 times 6.
No, what do you do first?
Convert 1/2 with 6.
No, parenthesis first. What's in the parenthesis? PEMDAS, remember? What's in the parenthesis? Add those together, what is it?
Okay.
And then times it by 1/2, times it by 7.5.
One half times 7.5.
Yeah, so you could just do 0.5 times 7.5 times 14. Because the order of it doesn't matter. Once you're multiplying it, it doesn't matter. Like you can change it however you want. If it's adding, the order does matter, but if it's multiplying, you could just multiply it.
No. Get the paper plugged in.
So what is it? What is it? What's your unit? Good job, because of the area. Okay, number 4. So let's start with the perimeter. Tell me how you will find the perimeter of this.
All the numbers together.
Okay, so what are the numbers?
22, 18, 7, 6, 3, and 17.
What's this number here? But that's not it. What about this part right here and this part right here? You can't just add the numbers together. You gotta literally go around the entire thing.
17 meters.
What are you talking about? What is this part right here from here to here? How would I find that?
That part is 3 meters.
The purple part is 3 meters?
Mhm.
No, how would you even get that? How would you think that that's 3 meters? Okay. Look at this black line. What is that?
Meters.
What is this black line? Okay. Now take a look over here at this green line. What's that?
18.
Okay. Take the green line and minus the 2 black lines. Will that give you that purple line? Okay. So 18 minus what? Which is what?
8.
This purple is 8. So put plus 8. Now you gotta take a look at the orange, this piece right here. You see this piece right there? How would I find the orange piece?
Minus 11 meters. We're at 17.
Yeah, 22 minus 17, which is?
Mm. 5.
Okay, so plus 5. Now add everything together for your perimeter. Okay, 86 meters. All right, now, how would you find the area to this? You gotta break up this piece into like rectangles or squares, right? So which piece would you like to break? So let me break up the first piece for you. If I break up this piece right here into this yellow piece right here, what are 2 numbers that you would use to find the yellow piece, the area of the yellow piece?
22 and 7.
Good. So 22 times 7, right? That's the yellow piece. Then I'm gonna break this piece right here into the blue piece right here. What 2 numbers would you find to find the area of the blue piece?
8 meters.
Careful. Give me the 2 numbers.
11 meters.
Mhm.
And 3 meters.
No, not quite. Do you see how the orange is 5? Do you see the orange is 5? Do you see where the pink right here is 22? Couldn't we do 22 minus 5, which will give me the last piece that I need, which is this piece right here? Okay, so what's 22 minus 5? So this piece right here is 17. It's not drawn to scale, okay? But do you see that? You're gonna do 11 times 17, okay? And then this purple piece right here. How would you find that?
6 meters. 6 meters and 3 meters.
Okay, now when you find all of these numbers here, these 3 numbers, now add them up, and that's gonna give you the area. Okay, so go ahead and do that. I really want to get a timeshare, Melly. So you can go there every year, or maybe every 2 years, I'm thinking. Okay, now let's go. Hurry up. Would you like to go to Maui every 2 years?
Sure.
Not that I don't want to explore Kauai or other places, but I just feel like Maui is really special.
Because of its features.
Oh, it's just so pretty. So what do you have?
I mean, I don't know what else. Oh, wait. Okay, so I have, for the first one, I have 154 meters.
Okay.
The second one, I have 187 meters.
Okay.
And the third purple box, I have 18 meters.
Okay, now add them all together. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Hold on, go come over here for a second. Come over here for a second. I'm gonna show you something, your brother. So what is your answer then?
No.
Okay. What is your unit?
Meters.
Nope. Area. It's either do square.
Was I incorrect? Oh,
Is this due front and back tomorrow?
no.
When does this due? When does this due though?
Today.
Oh, okay. I don't understand this. Let's just watch. Okay, because we need to hurry this up. Okay, for number 5, you ready? Okay, you have a rectangle and a square. Let's do the perimeter first. What are you gonna do with the perimeter?
10, 5, and 3.2 meters.
Okay, 5, 10, 3.2. What else? That doesn't give you the whole thing. That just gives you this piece. That only gives you this piece, and this piece. That's not the answer.
Plus 10. Plus 3.2.
And that's it? Okay. You can't just assume that this is going to be 3.2 right here. You know it's 3.2 because of this tick mark. Do you see the tick mark right there? It means they're 2 equal. Okay. So you're going to add that together. All right. What is your answer then? Grab your calculator. No, you have a calculator right now. You can use a calculator right now, but when you do this on the paper, you do it by hand. Okay. Perimeter 31.4. What's your unit? Okay. For the area, you need to find the area of the rectangle first. And how do you find the area of the rectangle? Which is going to be this green space right here. How would you find that?
And 10 meters as the inside.
Good. Okay. Plus, now you have to find the area of the triangle, right? How do you find the area of a triangle? What's the formula? Base times height. Okay. So look at your triangle. Which number is the height?
4 meters.
Yep. It's always going to be with the rectangle or with the 90 degrees, right? Okay. Now, which one is your base? No, that's the side. Base is right here. What's the base right here? That's red. Yeah. Do you see how you need to make sure you do that correctly? So 5 times height times 1/2. Okay. Tell me, what is the area of the rectangle first?
The area of the rectangle
Okay, what's the area of the triangle? Grab your calculator. Right now, we're using the calculator, so you have the answers, but I want you to show the work on your paper later today, okay?
times 5. Or isn't it 5 to the second power?
No, it's not. It's base times height times 1/2. So it's 5 times 4 times 1/2.
Okay.
So what is it? So 4 times 5 is 20. What's half of 20? Just do this in your head. Okay, it's gonna give you 60. I'm moving on. All right, not moving on. Number 6. Let's try and find the perimeter first. This is gonna be pretty easy because all you're gonna do is just gonna add everything, right? Which side does it not give you?
That side.
Yeah, but what do you think that side is gonna be?
I think it is going to.
The same side as this side. 6. So add everything together, please. Okay, 43. I'm assuming you're doing this right because I don't know. 43.6 feet. Now, to find the area of this, we're gonna break this apart, right? First thing to do is gonna find the area of this rectangle. Do you see that part right there? Okay, so that's the first thing I want to do. Next, what other shapes can we break into? This shape. Okay, what's your last shape? The triangle, right? So how would you find the area of the blue? Is it 6 and 6? 6 and 6. Okay, what about orange or yellow?
And 8.
What is
No, 8.
No, it's just gonna be 6 times 6. Is this 8 or is this 6 right here? That's 8? Okay, so then 6 and 8. How do you find the area of the yellow?
That's 13 times 4.
It's not 13. 13 is gonna be from here all the way over here. Yellow stops. How about 4 and 9? Do you see how I got 9? Because it's 1 plus 8. Okay, now your rectangle, what is your base?
Base is
Your base is gonna be this red line right there. What is that red line?
14.
Yep, and then base times, I'm sorry, that's not your base, that's your height. Sorry, I meant height, not base. That's your height.
Okay.
Where's your base?
My base is
Is gonna be right here, this green line right here. What's your base gonna be?
5.6.
No, that's your hypotenuse. This part is not a base. That's a hypotenuse. No. To get your base, you take the purple, which is 13. Do you see that? Minus the 8 minus the 1. Do you see why? Okay, take a look at the pink highlights right here. Do you see that? The purple minus the 2 pink highlights will give you that green base. So what is that going to be? 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. What's 1 plus 3? 4, right? So to find your area of your triangle, It's gonna be what number times what number? Base times height times 1/2. So what are the numbers? Times half. So what is that gonna give you? So let's take a look over here. This is 48, 36. What's half of 16? 8. Half of 16. So what's 48 plus 36 plus 8? Grab your calculator. Let's go. I don't expect you to do this in your head. Just grab your calculator. Type your up there. No, I don't even tell you what you need to type in. You just need to figure it out. Yes, there is. Area of the blue, area of the yellow, area of the pink. What do you think we're doing? You're not paying attention? You shouldn't be confused. We're finding the area of the blue, area of the yellow, area of the pink, and adding them together. What's your unit? Nope. You don't have time to be confused. Do you understand me? You want to be in this class, want to be, go ahead and do all this crazy fast stuff, then you need to be on top of this. You need to practice extra because you're not getting this on your own. Do you get me? Number 7. Find the perimeter of that. I don't understand. What? Okay, it's find the perimeter. Perimeter should be pretty easy because you're looking for the perimeter. All you're doing is you're going this way, plus this way, plus this way, plus this way. So type into your computer calculator. What are the numbers you typed in? 1? Where do you get 1 from? Okay, look at where I'm highlighting. What are the 4 numbers that's highlighted by blue?
9, 12, 6, and 8.
Is this 8 right here? What is that number right there? What does that say? 8? Okay. Add them together. Even though they give you a 1 right there, that 1 is pointing to this part right here. I don't understand why you're doing that. You literally need to highlight it so you can see what you're doing. Now add it together. What do you have? Let's go, please. Let's hurry up. What's your unit? Okay. Let's now find the area. What are the 2 shapes that you have for the area?
2 shapes I have for the area is 7 centimeters.
No. What are the 2 shapes? I didn't ask for numbers. I asked for shapes.
Triangles.
How many triangles do you have?
2.
You have a green triangle and then you have a pink triangle. Do you see that? This is the area of the pink triangle. This is the area of the green triangle. How do you find the area of the green triangle? What are the numbers you're going to need?
8 centimeters and 12 centimeters.
No. Look at the green. What is the base of the green? What number is this right here?
That one's 6.
Yeah, why would you use 8? 8 is not even in the green one. I'm telling you about the green one. The green one. Look at the green one. What is the base of that green? What's the height of the green? No, that's not a height. Height is right here where the 90-degree angle is. That right there is a hypotenuse. It's important to know the difference, don't you think? 6 times 7 times 1/2. What's half of 42? To do this in your head. Now let's go and take a look at the pink. What's your base for the pink?
8 centimeters.
No.
4 centimeters.
What's your height?
7 centimeters.
Okay. 4 times 7 times 1/2. What's 1/2 of 24? Or 28? 14. When you add it, you really need to go ahead and do a better job with doing this on your own. All right, number 8, this is a regular pentagon. So let's go ahead and find the perimeter. The perimeter means I need to add all 5 sides together. When I have you do this, I want to see you highlight the sides. Do you understand me? Do you understand? Okay. How would you find the perimeter of this?
10 times 5.
Good. Which is what?
50.
What's your unit?
Centimeters.
Okay. Area is going to be a little bit more complicated. And the reason I say that is because you're going to have to go ahead and split this up. Do you see the triangle right there? Do you see another triangle right here? How many triangles do I have here? 5 triangles, right? Area one of the triangles is 1/2 base times height. What is the base of one of the triangle? The triangle I'm talking about is this one right here that's in pink. Base, base, base. That's the height. Your height is 6. What's your base? There you go. Base is 10. So what's 1/2 times 6 times 10? What's 6 times 10? What's half of 60? There you go. Now, that's not the answer because I have 5 triangles, right? So 30 times what? Which is? What's your unit? Squared, right? Last one. Here we go. What does it say?
Taking a countertop, Mr. Sutherland cut an equilateral triangle and regular quadrilateral from a piece of wood. What is the area of the wood after the 2 pieces are cut?
So what we're going to do is you need to find the area of the entire rectangle that is right here in yellow. Do you see that? And then we're going to subtract the blue triangle from that yellow. And we're also going to subtract the orange area from that rectangle. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So what's the area of the rectangle?
The area of the rectangle is 3 millimeters.
No, rectangle. Rectangle is this yellow piece. I don't even know why you're looking at 3 because that's not representing the yellow piece. Base times height. What's the base of the rectangle? There you go. What's the height? 12 times 16. There you go. Next part, we need to find the area of the square. Do you see that right there? What's the 2 numbers for the area of the square?
Millimeters.
3 times 3, which is 9. Next, we need to subtract the area of the triangle, right? It's a triangle. So area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. What's your base of the triangle? What's your height? There you go. So then we're going to do 3 times 2.5 times half, which is 0.5. Grab your calculator. Let's find this out. What's 12 times 16? What's 12 times 16?
It's not going to let me. It says error.
Give me the freaking calculator, please. This is ridiculous. I mean, I should not have to spend this much time waiting for you to do this shit. Try again. If you're not sure about something, hit clear. Minus 9. Minus, what's 2.5 times 0.5 times 3?
2.5 times what?
What is the area of your triangle? Area of a green triangle, right there. I wrote it right here for you. If you can't even keep up with what I'm writing, I don't know how you're, no, don't even. Let's go. Are you sure? Okay, now subtract it. What do you get? Millimeter squared. 160 what? All right, that concludes everything. Make sure you watch this again. Everything that I highlighted on this, I expect you to highlight on yours. Do you understand? Good.